sources are to be believed, there has been a stampede security breach for the first time.
Now for an update on the extraordinary events unfolding in Brantford, New Hampshire.
To violent seizures. Local resources have been strained to the breaking point, and state health officials are now asking anyone experiencing such symptoms to dial 911.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of here tonight.
Well,
zebra
flew right over me and blasted a car with...
shook me like a doll.
It's true! I saw the whole thing!
It is my professional opinion that now is the time to panic!
Run! It's a...
It's okay, it's alright. As long as it doesn't come near us, we're gonna be okay.
Ugh! I've been kissed. I have germs. Get hot water. Get some disinfectant. Get some iodine. All right, girl.
Want some peanuts?
Hey, that's it. No one touch.
I'm finished!
Keep sweet, Mr. Dad.
Good. Keep it up. You're doing great.
Happy bear, he has no... What was that?
I have no idea.
Well, this is just great. The whole house is destroyed. The party is ruined. And now...
If it didn't do it again.